Before getting started in rock, it is useful to think about the things that make work easier and more efficient in general. These things help guide how we develop processes, keep things moving forward, and how we use new and existing tools. Here are some of our approaches to successful projects. However, your mileage may vary. Number 1, clearly outlined end-to-end steps. For any successful project, it is helpful to have clearly outlined steps from start to finish because this presents clear expectations and requirements, making sure all stakeholders are on the same page about methods and next steps. Our second approach is clear, specific, and consolidated communication and information. Communication plays a significant role in moving projects forward. Effective communication is clear, specific, and appropriate. This saves time and eliminates back and forth. When communication is documented and consolidated for quick and easy reference for all stakeholders, this eliminates fragmentation and prevents siloing, which can be highly destructive to the progress of any project. Our third and final approach in this video is to control and track. To safeguard the integrity of the process and the work in question, it is important to establish control and track progress. When you have control over access and tracking of information, stakeholders, deliverables, and tools, you're able to allow the inputs within that process to yield desirable outcomes and results. This essentially means, in simple terms, you're able to allow those who must work to work and those who must review to review when and only if necessary. These are important general guidelines to think about as we build and integrate within Rock. However, these transcend the tool and appear in many variations from company to company.